Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountryschiccottage.net. Today we're going to talk about aligning things right in Cricut Design Space. If you've ever been designing something and wish that you could center the two up together or make them align on the left together, there's a way to do that right in Cricut Design Space, and you don't have to try to align it on the grid or get it perfectly on a certain square of the grid. There's actually a function to do that. What we're going to do is take a look inside the desktop version of Design Space as well as the iOS version. The Android version is super similar, so I'm not going to just actually do a screenshot of it. You can definitely look at the iOS version and it should tell you everything you need to know. Let's first look at the desktop version, then we'll look at the iOS version, and you'll see just how easy it is to align those items right in Cricut Design Space. First, we're in the desktop version of Cricut Design Space. And let's say, super simple, I have a circle and I have the word hello, and I want to put those in the center. So I'm just going to exaggerate and put the hello up at the top up here. If I pick both of these items, so both of those are highlighted, and you can see in the layers panel that both are highlighted. Align is a function on my top toolbar. If I pull that down, I can see all the options. So I can align left, horizontally, center horizontally, align right, align top, center vertically, align bottom, and center in the center. So let's take a look at what these do. So if we center it, it centers it both left and right and up and down. Align it at the bottom, it aligns the two at the bottom. Center vertically only. So with the center vertically, I could have it pushed over to one side. And then if I pick the two, center vertically, it's only going to center vertically. It's going to leave my horizontal position the same. We can align it at the top. We can align to the right. We can center it only horizontally, so it'll leave my vertical position. Or we can align to the left. So this works on just about anything. I have another example here where maybe I want to just align it to the left and center it vertically. And as you can see, it went behind it. So the square is located before or above the word that I typed. So now if I just pick the square, arrange is a separate function. So if I arrange and send that square to the back, now my text is in the front. And as you can see, my hello is aligned to the left as well as aligned centered vertically, not horizontally, which is this way. So vertically would be up and down, horizontally would be left to right. Hopefully that helps explain what the align function does as well as when you should use it. Moving on to the iOS version of Cricut Design Space, I have the same type of thing mocked up. Now you don't want to pick the Actions tab, you want to pick the Edit tab, and then you'll find Align. You'll find all of the options that we found before. So you can center, align left, align right, all those different options. Pick and choose, just like on the desktop version, how you want your two things to align, and then continue on with making your project. It's super easy, right? And it'll make your life so much easier when designing those projects in Cricut Design Space or uploading your images and adding text and aligning that together right in Design Space. So thank y'all so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions about anything we've covered or your Cricut machine in general, you can ask those in the comment section below. I would also love it if you head on over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. We have Cricut videos every week and you don't want to miss any of those. Thank y'all so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.